Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where we master the correct pronunciation of commonly mispronounced words. Today's word is super popular in the fashion world, Gucci. But are you saying it correctly? Many people pronounce it as Gucci or Goosey. Have you heard it said like that before? Let me know in the comments if you've been saying it differently. The correct way to say it is Gucci, 2 syllables with a soft ch sound like in the word cheese. Here's a trick to remember. Think of the goo sound, followed by a chi that rhymes with tree. Easy, right? Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Try saying it 3 times slowly, then faster. Did you know? Gucci is not just a luxury brand. It was founded in 1921 by Guccio Gucci in Florence, Italy. The name reflects both the founder and Italian heritage. Now that you know the correct way to say Gucci, go ahead and flaunt your pronunciation like a fashion pro. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your favorite designer brand, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.